Hi, I'm Ryan Flaherty, head chef of the Wiley Restaurant at Flemington Racecourse, and welcome to the first in our series of recipes to make at home. Today I'm just going to show you how to make the first is a custard tart. This is a beautiful custard tart, nutmeg, slowly baked. First we're going to start by making the pastry case, and we're going to start with some flour. Always remember to sieve. Sieve that through, and adding our butter. And now we're going to crumble this down until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. We've crumbled that down. Butter into the flour, resembles the fine breadcrumbs. Now we're going to take a lemon zest, a little pinch of salt, maybe 2 touch of salt, sweet, beautiful combination. Then we have our egg yolk, and sugar, a little light paste, a little well in the middle. Now from the outside in. Keep stirring, will start to form together softly. It is pretty sticky. Once you've got most of it combined, we should get our hands in there and bring it together. Get our hands in, start squeezing it together a little bit. We don't want to overwork the dough, but we do want to bring this together. Squeezing it a bit through the hands, starts becoming one. If yours does feel a little bit sticky, you can just sprinkle a little bit of flour in. You can see there, we work it together, touch more on your surface. Just get rid of a few of the cracks, you'll see it starts to smooth off. Wrap that in cling film, leave it in the fridge to rest for an hour. Okay, now we've let our dough rest in the fridge for an hour, and we'll pull it out probably for about another half an hour to come to room temperature. Work it a bit with your hands to get it soft. And you get to work. Now once that's rolled out, give it a tart, chill, a little spray. Careful. Turn, flip it over. Once it's over, we just try to tuck it in. Now you might have little pieces tear, that's fine. You can just patch it back up. Feeding it in, making sure you push down into the corners, turning as you go. Pinch up a little bit up towards the top, create that little ridge. And just let all the excess overhang off. Now we've lined our tart shell, I'm just going to trim it up a little bit. Any of the excess, you can hug it reasonably tight. Aluminium foil inside. Making sure to pinch down right into the corners and push the corners in so they don't rise up. We want a nice sharp corner where we can get one as opposed to a corner like that. Done that, really smooth off and pinch. Cover with rice. I like to make sure it's nice and high on the sides. And we go 170 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove the foil and rice, followed by about another 8 to 10 minutes at 160, and then remove and allow to cool. Okay, now we've removed the foil. We've baked for about another 5 to 10 minutes. You just feel it's just got a little bit of colour. Now, take a serrated knife, a peeler can work, and we'll just work our way around. Take a pastry brush down, brush it. Now we're ready for our custard filling. Now our tart shell should be out of the oven, and we're getting our custard ready. First we have our cream, our sugar, vanilla. Mix this in. I've preheated my cream. I just want the cream just to come to the boil. Now I've dropped my oven down to 130 degrees. I've laid the tart shell in the oven. It's a lot easier to fill if it's in the oven. If your oven at home isn't great, don't worry. I made this at home. I was changing my oven from 120 to 140, moving it around every 5 minutes, moving the tart shell. As long as you're getting a gauge on it and giving it a wobble, we'll have a look at how to do that later. All right, our cream is coming up. Nice whisk over our eggs by whisking. All in. Now, follow me. As you can see, our tart shell is in the oven, 130 degrees. If your tart's a little bit uneven, you can prop it up with a little bit of a spoon or a little bit of paper towel, get it nice and even, and then we'll check it after 15 minutes. We've got our nice little device, keeping it straight. Fresh nutmeg, microplane. Beautiful. Have a look, if we give it a slight wobble, see it holds shape. So that's when we know it's ready. So we've let our custard tart chill, not in the fridge, for a minimum of 2 hours. We'll lift it up. It's always a bit tricky, these bases. We should just pull out, slide it across.
Now,
For the best part.
the taste.